What kind of wood decay usually occur when both the cellulose and lignin in wood is removed? Ano daw yung tawag natin na wood decay na yun? Kapag yung cellulose at saka lignin is yun yung kinakain ng ating causal na mga fungal organisms. Is it A, white rot? Is it B, wet rot? Meron ba tayong wet rot? Parang wala, no? Yan, letter C, brown rot. Is it brown rot? Or D, yellow rot? What's your answer? Comment your answer no, sa ating comment section. Ayan, A daw from Chris Fajardo Alquezar. Ayan, A din yung answer ni Mark Wilson Reynon. At saka we have Glyza Jane Lar Dizabal. Yan, letter A daw yung answer nila. First, let's examine class. In number 4, we are talking about wood decay. No? Ayan. And we all know class, yung ating wood decay is a natural process in which wood is broken down and deteriorated by various microorganisms. What are those microorganisms? It can be fungal na microorganisms or it can be bacterial na mga microorganisms. And then they are responsible no, sa pag-deteriorate ng ating wood. In which, kapag na-deteriorate yung ating wood, it lowers down its structure no, na capability. So if meron ng decay, nag-lower na yung kanyang strength property, maglo-lower din yung kanyang economic price. So we have to always preserve our wood para hindi tayo malulugi no, kapag nagbebenta tayo ng kahoy. Okay yan. And then of course class, yung ating wood decay, meron tayong 4 na types dyan. Yan, take note, yung wood decay natin, meron tayong 4 na types. Take note ha, be active. First type natin is brown rot. Second type natin is white rot. Third type is soft rot. And then last is hard rot. Okay? Sige, let's examine class, no? Isa-isa yung mga types ng ating wood decay. Yung ating brown rot, yung kanyang kinakain class ng causal organism or fungal organism is itong cellulose at saka hemicellulose. Now, in the question in number 4, we are looking for the cellulose and lignin. Okay, take note ha. We are looking for the cellulose and lignin. So therefore, hindi ito yung answer. Kasi nga, yung kinakain ng causal fungal organism in brown rot is yung cellulose at saka hemicellulose lang, leaving behind the lignin. 3 yung ating chemical composition na or 4 pala. 4 pala yung ating chemical composition ng ating kahoy. We have cellulose, we have hemicellulose, we have lignin, and we have extractives. Okay? And then yung napakalaking percentage doon class is si cellulose at saka hemicellulose. Okay? So you have to take that down. Kasi lumalabas din yan class sa ating board exam questions. And then yan, ito yung ating example. So tinawag siyang brown rot kasi yung leaving behind the lignin class nagiging brown no in color. So that's why brown rot yung tawag sa kanya. At saka ito class, take note, palaging lumalabas ito sa board exam questions, yung mga genus ng mga causal fungal organisms. Okay, you can take down this one class ha, yung genus. So ito class, yung ating causal fungal organisms under brown rot na wood decay. We have here an example, Serpula lacrimans. And then we have here Meroliporia incrassata. Okay, so take that down kasi lumalabas din yan yung mga causal fungal organisms natin. Okay, so yan, let's move on. Klaro na yung ating brown rot. Okay, so let's move on to white rot. Okay, ano itong white rot? So if yung brown rot, color brown yung kanyang color, yung white rot, color white din, di ba? Ayan, so white rot is another type of wood decay caused by fungi. Again, yung causal organism natin dito class is fungi. But unlike brown rot class, white rot fungi break down both cellulose and lignin in wood. Okay, take note. Yung white rot natin, yung kinakain ng mga causal fungal organisms is yung chemical composition natin na si cellulose at saka si lignin. Yun yung dalawa. Again, for review, yung brown rot, yung kinakain is cellulose at saka hemicellulose. In white rot naman, yung kinakain ng ating causal fungal organisms is si cellulose at saka lignin. Okay? Yan yung itsura class, color white, no? And then kapag in touch class or hinawakan mo yung wood niya, is medyo crumbly and soft in touch. Okay? Yan, ito yung ating example ng ating causal fungal organism. So take this down. Write it down, class, kasi lumalabas ito palagi, no, yung kanilang mga genus. Yan, example na lang natin, class. We have Trametes versicolor, and we have also here Phamerochaete Chrysosporium. Napakahirap, no, i-articulate ng ating mga scientific names kasi hindi common sa ating language. Siguro kapag lang common na word, say for example, atik-atik, ayan, yung common name, napakadali na lang isulat, no? But in this case, we are using Latin na mga words kasi nga we are using Latin words kasi nga yung ating mga Latin words are dead na language. So hindi na nag-change. All right, so let's move on. Yan, we're done with white rat, ha? Take note sa kanilang mga key points. Brown rat again is cellulose and hemicellulose. White rat again is cellulose and lignin. Then of course, yung ating soft rat is same with brown rat, but the difference between brown rat and soft rat class is yung ating brown rat, crumbly yung kaniyang wood na natitira. In soft rat, in touch, kapag tinouch mo yung ating wood na titira sa ating wood, is soft in touch. So again, same with brown rat, but yung kaniyang natitirang wood is soft yung sa soft rat. Yung sa brown rat is crumbly. Yun yung kaniyang key point doon. Okay, write that down. Okay, so we're done now with soft rat. Again, yung soft rat natin is cellulose and hemicellulose, leaving behind also the lignin. Pero yung lignin na titira is soft in touch. Okay, sige, let me check our comment section if buhay pa ba yung ating mga reviewees. Ayan, welcome again. Oh, we have now 151 viewers. Hello po, welcome sa ating review, no? Ating live tutorial sa ating Sir Brian's Review and Tutorial Center with a tagline, Review with a Great Vision. Now, let's go back sa ating review. Soft rat, so we're done with soft rat. And then lastly, class, yung ating last na wood type na decay is, ayan, example pala, class, sorry. So we have to take this down. Yan. Yung example natin is Pectobacterium species. Yan, write down the genus Pectobacterium. And then we have here Geophyllum trabium. Yan, Geophyllum trabium. Write that down. That is under soft rat. Yan, ito yung itsura ng ating soft rat. So kapag tinouch mo yan, class, is napaka soft ng kanyang texture compared to brown rat na crumbly and hard only. So we're done with soft rat. Now let's move on sa ating hard rat. Okay, check natin if merong nagko-comment. Meron ba? Ayan, wala. Walang nagko-comment. So let's move on sa ating hard rat. Yung ating hard rat, class, is a type of decay that occurs in the central or heartwood portion ng ating kahoy. Okay? It primarily attacks the lignin component of wood. So itong sa heart rat, class, yung ina-attack ng ating causal fungal organisms are only lignin component ng ating wood, which is present in both hardwood and the sapwood of our trees. Now again, sa ating previous na session, yung ating heartwood at saka sapwood is a classification of xylem. Diba? Yung ating fourth layer ng ating wood stem is meron tayong apat. First layer is we have the bark. Second layer is we have the phloem. Third layer is yung ating cambium. At saka yung ating last layer or fourth layer is yung ating xylem. At saka yung xylem is being subdivided into two, which is yung ating tinatawag na heartwood or yung ating dark na color, center portion ng ating kahoy, at saka yung ating living portion ng ating kahoy, which is lighter in color compared to heartwood, si sapwood yung tawag mo. Okay? So nakuha na. So let's review brown rat again, cellulose and lignin, white rat. Let's go back. Brown rat pala is cellulose and hemicellulose. Yung ating white rat is cellulose and lignin. Soft rat is cellulose and hemicellulose, and hard rat is lignin yung inaatake. Okay? And then yung example na causal fungal organism ng ating heart rat. Napakadami, class. You can just siguro take down, no, yung ating genus. Yan. We have here Inonotus. Inonotus. Napakagandang genus, no? Baka pwede niyong ipangalan sa inyong mga anak, no? Inonotus. Parang nasa anime lang yung pangalan, Inonotus. And the next genus, we have Ganoderma. Ayan, next genus, Ganoderma. And then yan, we have next genus, class, na causal fungal organism. Ito ng heart rat, ha? Take note. Is we have here, Phililinus. Ayan, Phililinus. And then yan, yung pinaka-common, class, yung Fomes. Palaging lumalabas sa ating board exam questions. Yung ating Fomes na genus. At saka we have here the Laetiporus. Ayan, Laetiporus, write that down. And then we have also the Ameliara na genus. And then we have also here the Heterobasidion. Ayan, Heterobasidion. Ay, napaka-hard na i-pronounce talaga ng ating scientific name, class. No? And then yan, we have here the Phallus. And then, of course, yung isang common pa, aside kay Fomes, is yung Fomitopsis pinicula. Yan, okay? So hopefully, class, na nasulat nyo lahat yung ating mga causal fungal organisms, no, in genus level. Okay, so let me check, class, yung ating live. Sige, okay pa ba? Di ba nawala yung ating live? Sir Brian, can I have your confirmation, sir? Okay pa po ba? Yan, okay pa daw, class, yung ating session. Hindi pa daw nagka-technical problem. Okay, let me first check, class, yung ating live session, no? Kasi nawala yung aking Facebook live sa aking cellphone. Ayan, and then we're back. Or we are 180. We have already 180 participants pala. Ayan, hi po sa inyo, 180 participants. Okay. Ayan, klaro pa daw, all goods in the hood. Napakaganda ng comment ni Sir Ryan, no? Yes, live pa daw. Ayan, klaro pa daw. So yan, class, take your time, no, writing this down. Yan, be active, class. No, be active. Yan yung aking talaga, class, yung inire-recommend na study na tips. More power, Sir Ryle. Mermek. Ayan. All goods po. Okay. Sa G, para sa ating number 5. Okay pa ba? Sige. So let's move on sa ating number 5. Type G. If you are all ready para sa ating number 5. Type G. Type game again. Ayan, G. Okay. Yan. Ito yung ating example ng ating heart rat, ha. Yan. As you can see, or as you can observe, class, yung ating center portion ng ating kahoy, yung kanyang black portion is nagka-hollow na. It's because of heart rat na fungi. And then again, yung inaatake ng ating heart rat fungi, class, is yung kanyang lignin na chemical component. Alright, sige. Ayan, ready na daw. Oy, ayan, so yung answer natin sa number 4 pala, class, is white rat. Kasi nga, yung hinahanap is yun daw cellulose at saka lignin. So yung brown rat, yung inaatake ng ating brown rat is again yung kanyang cellulose at saka hemicellulose. Alright, sige.